Hi guys, Jardinate here with another video of the Sunday Swing Ideas list. This week is the last week before Christmas. Will be also the last video of the Sunday Swing Ideas for this year because I'm taking some time off during the holidays. It's family time and will be releasing new videos and new Sunday Swing Ideas beginning of next year. I also will give you a quick update or a quick outlook of what I have planned. A few more details after the Sunday Swing Ideas here in this video. As always, SPY and Qs first. Quick outlook for the next week. From my point of view, we have a rough week because of the quadruple witching ending on December 17th. We had a 2 down on Friday and a 2 up but red on the weekly for the whole week. So strat wise could be a 2 up, 2 down for the next week with the target of the 453.57 here. I'm still bullish if we close Monday or Tuesday above the 464.74 area here. So if we close on Monday or Tuesday above this, I still think we could have a Santa rally into the end of the year. So I expect if this level breaks, we can aim for new all-time highs. If we close below 460 area, 462 area on Monday or Tuesday, I think that we could break the lows here of last week of 458.06 and we might aim in the 453 area because the broadening formation, as you see on the weekly here, has some room left. So if we end bearish this year, then maybe the 453, 450 area could be also a target. On the Qs, 2 double inside weeks. This is a rare situation. The last time this happened was in August 29, more than 2 years ago. And tech is struggling a bit lately because of the last week. We have a big red inside candle. So strat wise, we would continue to the downside here. A 2-1, 2 down. I still hope we can break this 398.48 here. I still wait on a signal also on Monday or Tuesday if we break above 390 area. Because if we break this 390 area, I think we can lead up to 398.48 end of next week and break maybe above it. But the broadening formation here, as you also see, has lots of room to the downside. I don't think that we go back to 350 area here, but at least a short consolidation around the 370 area is also possible if we lose support here on the 381 area. CLF, the first idea from my Sunday Swing Idea list. I expect a 1-2-2 up ref strat on the weekly if we break above 2098, so January 21. So if we break this, my next targets are 2167, which isn't not a great profit taking here, and 22.25 and 23.28. So we have still 5 to 6 weeks left for the contracts that I selected for this entry if we break the 21 area here. Also on the time frame continuity, the month is still red, but if we break above 2095, so if we go above the 21, the month turns green here in this area and we have full time frame continuity which might help to gain some momentum to the upside. So I'm pretty bullish here that CLF can go back to the 22 area, 23 area maybe in mid of January. So the expiration is 121st contract with the 22 strike, which is not far away from the 21 and is still pretty cheap compared to other contracts. ATVI, my next idea for the week. The only idea that I have that is based on a bullish continuation ref strat, so a 1-2-2 up continuation measured move. If we break the 62.06 here next week with the targets of 64.09 and 65.64, this is at least the minimum target that I expect because I chose the 65 calls here for January 21st. Maybe we can gain some momentum or get some momentum of this, and the 68.43 is also possible, but don't expect this to happen soon. Also the market has to move in the direction. If we move like last week, market moves down, then also ATVI might not get to this both targets here. But as you see here on the daily, ATVI was pretty strong. Even the SPY and the Qs were weak. So it gained on Monday, Tuesday, and all the days it closed green. So this is why I see some strength here in ATVI. ROKU dipped heavily in the last months since it had no green month since July. This is at all-time highs. And as you all know, exhaustion risk was exactly the case here. It got to new all-time highs and from there on it dipped down till this broadening formation. The broadening formation is connected from here to here, and you see it closed right below it. So price expansion has happened. So I expect with this green, the first green month currently, we might close green here. I expect that we go up to the broadening formation here with this last green candle from the outside week last week and a 2 down and a hammer setup for last week. So I hope for a 3-2-2 up bullish reversal here with the target of at least 266.05 and 279.30 and maybe 285.63. We also have full time frame continuity to the upside. So I expect that we gain some momentum here and lead ROKU to the 270, 280 area. I chose the 300 calls because they are not as expensive as the 260 or 275 calls. You might also could get the 260 calls or 250 calls if you have the money. I have a small account, so I try to limit my risk here and go with the 300 calls if we trigger above 237.18. I don't expect that the 300 goes in the money, but if we move in the 270, 280 area starting beginning of January, I think the 300 are still very profitable. My last idea for this week, Uber, also nearly, it is full time frame continuity because only the 65 minute was red on the Friday last closing hour here. I'm eyeing on a 1-2 down, 2 up bullish ref strat here above the 40 area. I've set up my alert here at around 40 if we break this. The first target is 41.25. After this 44.40 and 46.66. Also on the month we have a 2 down hammer setup. So if we can close green here and gain some more to the upside, I expect that we will have a 2 down, 2 up bullish continuation on the month beginning of January. So this is why I selected the January 21st contracts with the 45 strike, so that we might go in the money here if the market also plays in the same direction. So as mentioned before, a quick outlook of what I have planned next. I have a video ready, not yet finished, but it needs some polishing. But I asked you on Twitter, which video would you like to see next? And the clear winner was scanners on sink or swim. So I will publish a video on how to build scanners, your own scanners on sink or swim based for this strat with a detailed guide on what you need to prepare and how to do it so that you find your own setups there. This is one video that I will release during the holiday season. Another video that I plan is, or that I have finished and will release, is a summary list of the Sunday swing ideas list from the last 3 months. That includes around 70 tickers that I have shown you here in the YouTube videos and on my microblog and on Twitter, and I will show you how profitable the Sunday swing ideas were during this 2 to 3 weeks or maybe some more 6 weeks expiration, how good some trades were, show you the losers as well, and this is planned also during the holiday season. So this was it this week. As mentioned, also the last video for the Sunday swing ideas list this year. I wish you all a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and we'll be back with new Sunday swing ideas list beginning of January. Have a nice time and take care.